All right, this is second grade math lesson 9-9. Compare numbers on the number line. So this number line shows only one number, 256. Name a number that is greater than 256. Then name a number that is less than 256. Show your numbers on the number line and explain why you are correct. So again, we can pick any number. I'm going to pick 270 is larger, greater than 256. I'm going to pick 250 is less than 256. So down here I'm going to write 270 is greater than 256 and 250 is less than 256. All right, this is a whole lesson that is really fun because all of us will get different answers. We're going to pick just different numbers for our greater thans and less thans. All right, you can write numbers that are greater than or less than another number using a number line. So we have 325. We want to find numbers that are less than. So 324 is less than 325. Now this is 327 is greater than 325. So we can take a look at that on our number line just like we do every day with our numbers of the day. So we know that 325 is greater than 323 and 325 is less than 326. All right, do you understand? Show me. Can you write a number that is less than 325? 325, it's got to be less than. And it says that is not shown on the number line above. So this only goes to 323. I can do 322. So we know as we keep going left on our number line that our numbers get smaller. So write a number to make each comparison correct. Draw a number line to help if needed. So we know this is greater. It always eats the greater number. So we know this is going to be less. 461 is less than 467. So again, we know this is going to be the greater number. I'm going to say 400 is less than 470. 132 is less than what number? Let's see, I'm going to say 300. 263 is less than 300. 675 is greater than 200. And 684 is equal to 684. Told you this would be pretty easy, huh? All right, let's go ahead and get to our next page, our independent practice page. We're going to do basically a whole page of exactly the same thing that we just did. All right, 421 is greater than, I'm going to say 420. Blank is less than 884. I'm going to say 800. 959 is less than 1,000. Something is less than 619, 618. 103 equals 103. 566 is greater than 500. 394 is less than 400. Blank is less than 417. I'm going to say 400. Because remember, you can always check it by making sure it's eating the bigger number. So you can compare your two numbers. And you want to make sure it's eating the larger number. Okay? Blank is greater than 789. Let's see. I'm going to say 800 is greater than 789. So we're going to write our symbols of less than, greater than, or equal to make each comparison correct. So we're going to eat the larger number. 107 is larger than 106. We're comparing 630 to 629. Yum, 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 bigger number. And 832 is equal to 832. Now let's take a look at our higher order thinking on this one, okay? Write a number to make each comparison correct. Place the numbers on the number lines. See, I'm going to go in just groups of 10. Let's see, we've got 780. That is larger So 770 is less than 780, and 780 is less than 790. So I'm just going to do 770, 790. Okay, this one has to be greater than. I'm going to say 500 is greater than 457, and 457 is greater than 400. So that will be 400 and 500, or just my sample examples here. All right, let's go ahead and go to the back page on this one here. Okay, number 20. Kim is thinking of a number. It is greater than, so it is greater than 447. So it's going to be bigger. And it is less than 635. So we're looking for any number in between there. So again, we can pick any number we want to. I'm going to pick 500 as mine. Okay, and again, there are so many different answers that you can choose. These are all just sample examples. Okay, number 21, Donna's thinking of a number. Okay, it is less than 982. So we know it's less than 982 and greater than 950. So it's somewhere in between here. I'm going to say 970. That is an answer of what the number could be. All right, let's look at our higher order thinking. Monty picked a number card. The number is greater than 282, 282, and less than 284. What number goes here? All right, so I know 282. Next would be 283. That would be 284. 283. And explain how you know. Gosh, I looked at the pattern. The pattern is +1 to figure out what is in between. All right, and 23 is our assessment. What number is neither greater than nor less than the number shown? Show how you know. So our three symbols we can use are less than, greater than, and equal to. And it says what number is neither greater than or less than. So we have to make it equal. So whatever this is, we have to make it equal. So we're going to put that number here. 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 150. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 158 is equal to 158. All right, great job, everybody.